How to edit a meeting on Zoom PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit a meeting on Zoom PC easily and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Zoom and log into your account, of course. Now go here in the top corner, click on my account, and now it will take you to this page. Go right here and click on meeting option, and here you will find all your meetings. And if you want to edit, for example, this meeting right here, all what you have to do to go here and click on edit. Now after you click on edit, you will be able to edit everything from the time, the name and the time zone, and also the meeting ID, as you can see, very easily and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.